Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created an algorithm to process the left-hand side tokens and move the ones that have to be moved to the right-hand side. The algorithm is a for loop and an if statement at the end. We created several test cases to test the algorithm. We adjusted it. And since the last adjustment was cosmetic, I think that we are ready to move into writing the algorithm for the right hand side. So I will start by copying the algorithm on the left hand side because pretty much it will be similar, and modify it to work with the right hand side. Okay, so let's see. I have to loop through all token on the right hand side. So then I'm instead of taking the token from the left hand side, I'm taking from the right hand side. I am checking if the token is 0 and I am discarding any movement. So that stays the same. Now if x, it used to be x in token, but now since I'm on the right hand side, it's x not in token. Okay. And I have if token starts with plus or minus, I have to append the token back to the right hand side, else I have to append the token with a plus to the right hand side. Now if x is in the token, so I have to move it, so that's our else. Now I have to move it to the left hand side, I have to negate it, it's the same thing, and now I have to append it to the left hand side. And then if the length of the right hand side is 0, I have to append 0 on the right hand side, not to leave an empty list of tokens on the right hand side. Then I am printing the formula. Then I am checking if the left hand side is empty. I might have that case. If the right hand side, and if it is, I am adding the 0 token on that side. Okay, so now we are ready to test. I'm saving this file. And I will run the first test, the original problem. Okay, so we have p plus f times x larger than t, all tokens with x on the left hand side or token without x on the right hand side. So this passed. Now the next test, it's a 005. Okay, so we have t is more than b plus f times x. In the first step, t was moved here, that's the left hand side algorithm. Then when processing the right hand side, we'll move the plus f times x as minus f times x. We have the 0. Well, we could take out the 0, but that's cosmetic. T is correct. It says 0 minus fx is more than minus t plus b. T is correct. Okay, I will run the next test, test 6. Okay, so we have here 3 tokens on the left hand side that have x minus x plus b plus f times x larger than t, and I have here all tokens with x on one side, all tokens without x on the other side. So this passed as well. And now the last test case, test 7. Again, we have 0 is more than b plus f times x minus t. On the left hand side was nothing to do, just to put back the 0 that was taken out. And then on the right hand side, fx has been moved and we have 0 minus fx. So in the next lesson, we will take care of this cosmetic aspect. So if we have here 0 and then we are adding token, we should take out the 0. But other than that, it seems like our algorithm moved the tokens to the left and right hand side properly. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.